In this video we're going to look at using color palettes. In this presentation we've got several different items. We've got a shape and we've got a text box here in red, which isn't quite the right color. Now we could go use the tools at the top here to change the color, but what we want to be able to do is use consistent coloring. So if you have a template created, you might find it has theme styles already applied to it. So if we take this here for example, and what we want to do is shape format, and then you've got shape fill. If we do the little down arrow, you can see at the top here you've got theme colors. These are the colors built into the theme you've selected. If you can't see these, what you might want to do is open up the original template, save it as a new document, delete the slides you don't want, and it should maintain this theme color still. So for example, these ones we have brand colors, so select the brand color, the orange. And then we could do the same for the text. Highlight the text, and then with the down arrow next to there, we can see theme colors here again. So if we choose the blue for this one, you can see that's then selected the brand blue. The other way you can do it is if you do shape fill, you'll have recent colors here. So if you've been using the right colors, those recent colors should match. But if you haven't got the blue quite right, for argument's sake, let's select this blue for example. You see it's not quite the right blue, but now under the recently used colors you'll have some of the blues that aren't quite right. But by using that top option, the shape fill, the theme colors, you know that's a consistent blue, so your brand colors throughout the entire document should match and be more professional.